Ya Abdullah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, is it halal to work as a teacher in a public school in France, knowing that you have to probably look at the female student in the eyes and organize some group projects where the student have to be probably free mixed?
Teaching is a halal profession. When you live in a kafir country, there are some concessions due to necessity, because this is the only thing you could do if there is no other alternative. So if you're obliged as a man to teach a class that is mixed between girls and boys, you can't segregate or demand this. And if you resign, you would not have another job because there are no segregated schools. You would probably need to maybe work as a janitor, and you are the breadwinner. How is this possible? So due to necessity, we have to adapt. And by adapting, meaning we have to teach and try to keep our moral standards up high according to our Islamic beliefs. So we must not look or send our gaze freely as if it's, yeah, I live in France, so no problem. No, there is a problem. You have to lower your gaze, look elsewhere as a teacher, look through the haram students so that you don't look at what shaitan is pleased with, to the level, to the best of your ability, inshallah azza wa jal.